All right, so I'm here with my brother. This is going to be the beginning of hopefully what will be a series on the channel. He has an F-150 that he bought, and he has a Lexus GX470 that's white. I don't know if you've seen it on the channel, but if you haven't, that's his rig, and he's replacing it with a 2021 F-150. It's got a little bit of damage, just a little bit, but
Just
nothing too bad. But he's doing a cool build. Hopefully he'll have stuff on his channel that he's gonna do, and I'll link that in the description below. And yeah, we're just gonna kind of do a quick walkthrough of it and give you guys a little bit of a perspective of what we're gonna do here.
Well, so first of all, I'll show you the damage.
Okay.
So it got hit in this corner. You can maybe tell. So that piece, this frame piece is pretty tweaked. This piece is tweaked, but just right to the back of that arm right there.
So just right here?
Yeah, just right there. So that's not too big of a deal.
yeah,
Radiators are kind of tweaked, but I'm hoping they're going to be all right.
This looks factory.
This is broken. Got one of these at a junkyard. Got a new bumper, got a new grill, got a new headlight on the way. But yeah, really, I thought this truck it's got 62,000 miles on it. Looks like it's going to be a decent truck. Got it for a really good deal. So hopefully it works out for us. But there's all this like hidden stuff. Like I didn't expect this to be.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, you can see right here.
Oh my.
It's super tweaked. Ooh. And this is all aluminum, right? So took a magnet to it. All of this is aluminum. So I've seen guys on YouTube tweak this, like just pull it back, but it's, you know, it's affecting everything because this got pushed out, this got pulled in. Well, I guess this got pushed in, which pushed this out, but the whole battery is like sitting out of
whack
out of the truck.
So does this connect to the chassis or the
yeah,
the
so
A-pillar?
The interesting thing is these you can take off. There's a bolt in here, but there's welds in here. So if we have to replace this and we don't want to just pull it straight, you know, it's pulling all that off. I'm gonna see if I can pull it straight. You'll probably have all sorts of comments. I was gonna.
Guys, tell us in the comments if you think this will straighten out. There's one thing of straightening it. There's another thing of having the strength still.
Yeah, and that's kind of the thing with this truck, right? I'm building this to be an off-roading camping rig that is going to get the snot beat out of it off on trails. So I'm not like trying to build something super pretty. I'm not even going to repaint it, right? I'm probably just going to throw a wrap on it. And like I don't want it to be something that I'm like scared to take off road and get road rash and stripes and stuff down the side. So I'm not too worried about it. Like this isn't really much of a safety feature. It's just the support.
Yeah.
So this getting the frame fixed, that's an important safety thing. But
And it's tweaked a little bit here and then back there.
yeah, I got a light. I can show you. It's really hammered right there. Yeah, I mean you can see this is all supposed to be back here, right? And then right here as well, pretty tweaked. And then right there, which is where on the other side it's also tweaked.
Okay. Now go ahead.
Yeah, it's like the fender got screwed up, the hood got screwed up, and like this side of it, but the door like just got it pushed the thing just past it, so it's fine.
Yeah, that'll buff out.
It'll buff out.
New windshield you'll need to get.
Yeah, new windshield, airbags in the front, and the front seat belts. But nothing like really. The engine runs, you know, didn't have any coolant loss or oil loss.
That's a good sign.
So it runs and sounds great.
So tell us a little about the specs on it. So what engine?
Yeah, so it's got the 3.5 EcoBoost. Makes good power. I mean, it makes more power than the V8. I'm a V8 guy. I've got the Cobra that's got a V8. The Lexus has a V8, but I don't drive my vehicles a ton. I think my Lexus I maybe put a few thousand miles on it a year, so I'm not like worried about longevity because I just don't drive my stuff that much. It's like just for camping. So
Nice.
yeah.
Well, I'm excited to see how it turns out.
Yeah, we're gonna try and build a custom camper on the back. If you've seen the hiatus camper, I'm gonna try and build something very similar to theirs. I think they've done a really cool build, and I've got rolls and rolls and rolls of carbon fiber, and so I kind of want a project for that, so I figured I'd do something like that.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, we're excited to see how it turns out. So yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna get it this way. Stay tuned. We're gonna take a look at this truck as it's going through the process. You've got it shipping out or going to a frame shop to work on the frame on Wednesday. So today's Monday. I'll try to record as much as I can when I come up here. He lives a little bit away, but it's only about 30 minutes or so. So yeah, excited to see how it turns out. It'll be interesting to see a truck in the fleet.
Yeah.
Because we've got all these V8 Toyota and Lexus vehicles.
Yeah, it'll be interesting because the thing I love about the Lexus is like the hood, right? You can see over the hood really easy. This is a totally different beast because it's got that big hood out in front, but it's got the front camera, so we'll see.
Oh, I didn't realize that you had that. Yeah, because he has the 360 camera.
Yeah.
So when you're off road,
always see out the front with that camera, unless you're going fast. It's like 15 miles an hour or something like that. That turns off the camera.
Yeah.
So
That'll be sick.
yeah, it's Dad's Bronco has that. So
yeah, is it a specific off-road mode or?
I think you just push the camera button on above the screen.
Yeah,
and it
that'll be so
turns
nice.
it on.
A little jealous. I really want to do a truck build, but it's okay.
Well, we'll test it out. We'll test it and see how mine does, and if mine goes well, then we should do another one of them because this is like if this works out well, building a salvage truck. Heck, man, you could save a lot of money doing a lot of the work yourself.
Yeah. Who knows? Maybe this will encourage me to save up for a truck, and we'll get that on the channel too.
Yeah.
We're gonna learn. I'm going to attempt to help him out with wrapping it. So he's got a color and stuff he's kind of working on, but he'll get the wrap ordered here soon.
Yeah. We've decided a color that's extremely controversial, apparently. I'm super colorblind, so
we'll see what it is.
I think it looks good, but my wife thinks it looks good. Everyone else is like, I don't know about that.
Yeah. I'll probably upload this video, and then we'll just kind of stay tuned until it gets uploaded. I've got probably 3 other videos I should probably get finished editing and get those on the channel. We'll see kind of where this one falls into place, but
yeah, if he can fix the frame, then as soon as that's done, then we can start really tearing into this thing. But if he can't fix the frame, then I'm gonna have to find a frame, and that will be a big video.
Yeah, seriously.
Hopefully we don't have to go that route though.
Yeah, well, I'm excited to see how it turns out. I mean, sounds like once you get the frame done, it's pretty much kind of just bolt stuff on and wrap it.
I think we could put this together. If the frame's backed in shape and I've got all the parts, I bet we can throw this thing together in a few days. Shouldn't be a problem.
Sweet. Well, stay tuned. I'll upload this eventually.